Hello and what's up guys, today in this video I will show you how you can fix Instagram gold note feature not showing or not working problem under a minute. Without further ado, let's dive into the solution. So in the first place you need to open Play Store, search Instagram on your search bar, and then you need to update your Instagram app. Once you updated your Instagram app, go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you need to try out the next method. So now let's talk about the next method. Go to the settings and scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Now you can search directly Instagram on the search bar. Click on it. So first of all you need to click on force stop, and then you need to clear the cache file of Instagram app. Go to storage and click on clear data. Click on clear cache file only. Make sure that you don't click clear all data. I hope this method will definitely gonna fix your issue. If so, then please let me know in the comment section. If that doesn't fix the issue, then the last thing you can do is you can reinstall your Instagram app. So just uninstall this and go back to Play Store and install this app. So if you are still watching this video, please make sure you subscribe our channel for more authentic video like this.
Hopefully this video help you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you will enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech related issue. Have a great day guys.